Integral of dx divided by x square minus a square. So which is given by the formula 1 by 2a into log of modulus of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Whenever numerator degree is equal to the denominator degree, it is called improper partial fraction. Sine pi x divided by 4 integration is minus cos . Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In the last session, we have learned many problems on definite integrals and how to substitute based on the theorem 1 and theorem 2 of a integral calculus. Now in today's session, dear students, here we are having session number 19 and chapter number 7 called integrals. And in today's session, dear students, we are going to have the problems based on the substitution method of a definite integral. Now we'll be moving on to the directly problems. What they have given the first problem, integrate the limit applying from 2 to 3, that is dx divided by x squared minus 1. Now you can have directly, this is in the form of integral of dx divided by x square minus a square. So which is given by the formula 1 by 2a into log of modulus of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Now here you can have, by applying the limit, this is in the form of the same dx divided by x squared. Instead of a squared, you can write it as here 1 squared. So which implies that 1 divided by 2 into 1 log of modulus of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 from the limit. They have given the limit 2 to 3. Now you can apply the limit here 2 to 3. First you are going to apply the upper limit always, then you are going to apply the lower limit with the minus sign. Now first let us apply the upper limit 1 by 2 as it is I am writing. So log of modulus of 3 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 minus log of, here 1 by 2 is there, don't forget, because this is 1 by 2, minus applying the lower limit, putting x as 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Now further you can have 1 by 2 into log of 3 minus 1. So 1 by 2 into log of modulus of 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2 divided by 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4 minus 1 by 2 into log of, so 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Now you can have 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 1 by 2 into log of modulus of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into log of modulus of 1 by 3. Now if you want, you can take 1 by 2 as a common factor, then you can write it as log of modulus of 1 by 2, you can have 1 by 2 because log of modulus of x is log x only when x is greater than 0. Now 1 by 2 is greater than 0 minus log of modulus of 1 by 3, you can write it as 1 by 3. So therefore, which implies 1 by 2 into, this look like log m minus log n, which is log m by n. So therefore, log m is nothing but 1 by 2 divided by log n is nothing but 1 by 3. So therefore, you can have, which implies 1 by 2 into log of, this you can, 2 will come to the denominator, 3 will go to the numerator, which is nothing but 3 by 2. And this is your answer. You are going to get it as for this question, dear students. I hope you understood this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next question, dears. What they've asked, integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos squared x dx. Ds, you do not have directly to the form of cos squared x integration. So what I am going to do it here, I am going to reduce to the form of, in the form cos squared x, you know already, cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos squared theta minus 1. So 2 cos squared theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta, taking 1 to the left hand side. Now cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. That's it. Now you can write in place of theta as x here, which implies that integral 0 to pi by 2, instead of cos squared x, I can substitute 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Now 1 by 2 anyway it is a constant. I can remove outside the integral. So 1 by 2 into integral of 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos 2x into dx. Now you can separate the integral here and then you can integrate. See, 1 into dx integral is nothing but x, 1 by 2 is outside. So applying the limit afterwards. So again cos 2x integration will be what? Sin 2x divided by 2, right? So now apply the limit from 0 to pi by 2. Now first apply the upper limit as pi by 2, replacing x as pi by 2, and then with the minus sign apply the lower limit as 0, replace x by 0. Now you can have 1 by 2 will be here, applying the upper limit which is pi by 2 plus sine 2 into pi by 2 divided by 2, again minus 1 by 2, applying the lower limit now. Now x is nothing but 0. Now here plus sine 2 into 0 divided by 2. Now dear students, here 0 plus sine 0 is nothing but 0. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0 itself. The whole term will become 0 here. So the final answer you are going to get for this one will be 1 by 2 into, see, pi by 2 as it is I am writing. Now 2 will get cancelled. Sin pi value. Sin pi is nothing but sine 180 degrees. Sin 180 degrees is nothing but 0. 0 by 2. Therefore, 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. So therefore, pi by 2 into 1 by 2 gives you the answer pi by 4. And this is the answer you are going to get after evaluating the given cos squared x into dx. Hope you understood. We'll be moving on to the next problem. What they've asked. Integral from 2 to 3 x dx divided by x squared plus 1. Now dear students, if you do here denominator substitution, you can get it as numerator. But numerator you do not have there too, because x squared differentiation is nothing but 2x. So therefore, first multiply and divide throughout by 2. So you are going to divide throughout by 2 from 2 to 3 and then multiply by 2. 2x into dx divided by x square plus 1. I hope you got this one. Now you can have let x square plus 1 is equal to t. Otherwise, differentiate this with respect to x. You can have 2x into dx is equal to dt. Now you can have here 2x dx as dt, which implies that 1 by 2 into integral of 2x dx is nothing but dt. But dear students, when you do the substitution method, you have to change the limit also as well. Now here, by changing the limit, it will be giving you, see, t can be written as what? X squared plus 1. So therefore, by applying the limit, see, when x is equal to 2, what it will be? Let me apply. When x is equal to 2, what is t is equal to? 2 squared plus 1. What is 2 squared plus 1? Which is nothing but 5. 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. So t will be is equal to 5. Similarly, when x is equals to, you are having 3. T will be is equals to what? T will be is equal to 3 squared plus 1. 3 squared plus 1 is nothing but 9 plus 1, which is 10. So therefore, you can have, by changing the limit, 1 by 2 into, when x is equal to 2, you are having t is equal to 5. When x is equals to 3, t is equals to 10. So 2x dx is nothing but dt divided by x squared plus 1 is nothing but t, which implies 1 by 2 into log of modulus of t from the limit 5 to 10. I hope you got this one, which implies 1 by 2 into, apply the upper limit, log of modulus of 10 minus apply the lower limit, log of modulus of 5, upper limit and the lower limit. Now you can have, which implies that 1 by 2 into log of modulus of 10 by modulus of 5. Anyway, x is greater than 0. You can have 10 by 5, which implies that 1 by 2 into log of 5 ones are 5 twos are log 2. So 1 by 2 into log 2 is your answer for this question. I hope you understood this one, and also changing the limit of a function when you are going to do a substitution method. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. What they've asked, integral 0 to 1 2x plus 3 divided by 5x squared plus 1. Dear students, denominator differentiation, you do not have the numerator directly. So therefore here I am going to segregate this. What is segregation? 0 to 1 2x divided by 5x squared plus 1 into dx plus integral 0 to 1 3 divided by 5x square plus 1 into dx. I hope you got this one. Now, if you do the denominator differentiation, you are going to get it as 5x squared plus 1. Differentiation is 10x. You can remember this formula, dear students, instead of substituting here. So, integral of, you can have f dash of x divided by f of x into dx can be written as log of modulus of f of x. Okay. So, please do remember this. When you are going to substitute this is equal to t, differentiating this you are going to get the numerator, but numerator do not have 10x. So, I am going to multiply and divide by 5. That's it. So, therefore, you can have divide throughout by 5 and 5 2s are 10x divided by 5x squared plus 1 into dx plus 3 is a constant, you can remove outside. Integral of 1 divided by, this can be written as root 5x whole squared, isn't it, plus 1 squared, which is in the form of 1 divided by x squared plus a squared. So 1 divided by x squared plus a squared gives you 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a, especially for this one. Okay, and this is nothing but log of modulus of the denominator, which is log of modulus of f of x. So therefore you can have 1 by 5 into 0 to 1 as it is. I am writing the limit 1 by 5 into log of modulus of 5x squared plus 1. Again plus 3 into 1 by a into, a is nothing but here 1 only. So 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. X is nothing but root 5. X divided by a is nothing but 1. From the limit you are going to apply for both 0 to 1. Anyway, this is also 0 to 1. This is also 0 to 1. So I am going to club that one. Understood? Now you are going to apply the limit here. If you apply the limit, you are going to get it as, first apply the upper limit 1 by 5 into upper limit is 1. So wherever x is there, you are going to substitute it as 1. That's it. So therefore 1 by 5 into log of modulus of 5 into 1 squared plus 1 plus 3 into, see 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 only. 3 into 1 is 3 only. So therefore you can have plus 3 into tan inverse of root 5 into 1. So root 5 into 1 divided by 1. Okay. Now this is the upper limit minus 1 by 5 into log of lower limit is nothing but what? Lower limit is 0. So wherever x is there, substitute as 0. So 5 into 0 squared plus 1 plus 3 into tan inverse of root 5 into 0 divided by 1. Anyway, divided by 1 gives you the same thing. So therefore you can have here, so which implies that, see 1 by 5 into log of 5 plus 1 is 6, log 6 plus 3 into tan inverse of root 5 as it is. I am writing because tan inverse of root 5 do not have root 5 the value here. So directly I am writing that minus 1 by 5 into, so plus into minus it will become minus because you are going to multiply the minus symbol. So therefore minus log of 5 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is log 1 minus 3 tan inverse of, see 0 by 1 is always what? 0 by anything is 0 only. So tan inverse of 0, right? So tan inverse of 0. So therefore you can have, the answer will be implies that 1 by 5 into log 6 plus 3 into tan inverse of root 5. Again, log 1 is 0, 1 by 5 into 0 is 0 only, tan inverse of 0 is 0 only, 3 into 0 is also 0 only. So this whole term will become 0. So therefore the answer you are going to get it as 1 by 5 into log 6 plus 3 into tan inverse of root 5. That is your final answer, dear students. I hope you understood this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. What they have asked, integral 0 to 1 x into e power x square they have given into dx. Here x squared, see if you do the x squared differentiation it will be giving you 2x. Therefore I can substitute here, let x square is equal to t and differentiate this with respect to x. So you are getting 2x into dx is equal to dt. Now here you do not have 2x dx, so therefore I am going to multiply and divide by 2 there. So it will become, implies 1 by 2 into integral 0 to 1 2x into e power x squared into dx. Now here if you are doing the substitution method you have to change the limit also. So therefore when x equal to 0, Here you can change the limit by here. When x equal to 0, t will be is equal to what? 0 squared will be 0 only. When x is equal to upper limit is 1, t will be is equal to what? 1 squared is 1 itself. I hope you got that one. Now, which implies 1 by 2 into integral of, see, 0. When x is equal to 0, t is also 0. When x equal to 1, t is also 1. 2x dx, 2x into dx is nothing but dt. Now, e power x squared I have substituted as t. That's it. Okay. Now, you can integrate this one. 1 by 2 into e power t integral is nothing but e power t only from the limit 0 to 1. Which implies that 1 by 2 into, first apply the upper limit, e power t is equal to 1, minus, you can apply the lower limit, e power t is equal to 0, which happens 1 by 2 into e minus 1. Okay. So, this is what you are going to get the answer. I hope you understood this step. Now, we'll be moving on to the next problem, what they've asked. Integral 1 to 2. 5x squared divided by x squared plus 4x plus 3. Dear students, you can observe here numerator degree is equal to the denominator degree. Whenever numerator degree is 2 here, whenever numerator degree is equal to the denominator degree, it is called improper partial fraction. Now, I want to reduce this to a proper partial fraction by dividing numerator by denominator. Now, numerator is divided by denominator. So, denominator is x square plus 4x plus 3. You can multiply this by 5. If you multiply that by 5, it will be giving you 5x squared plus 5 4s are 20x plus 5 3s are 15. Now, you can minus this one. Subtracting, it will be giving you 5x squared will go minus 20x minus 15. Now, you can write the given term as what? This is a dividend, this is what the quotient, and this is what the remainder. You can write the given term as reducing to the proper partial fraction, quotient plus remainder divided by dividend, right? So, therefore, quotient you are having, so which can be written as 5x square divided by x squared plus 4x plus 3. Now, you can write the given term as 5x squared divided by x squared plus 4x plus 3 can be written as what? Quotient plus remainder divided by dividend. So, quotient is nothing but 5. So, plus remainder is minus 20x minus 15 divided by dividend is nothing but x squared plus 4x plus 3. Now, this is in the form of px plus q divided by ax squared plus bx plus c. Let us reduce this. After that, let us apply the limit. Okay. Now, here you are having minus 20x minus 15 divided by x squared plus 4x plus 3 can be written as what? X squared plus 4x plus 3. If you multiply, you should get 3x squared. If you add or subtract, you should get 4x. So, 3 into 1 is 3. 3x plus x is nothing but 4x. So, therefore, I can have x squared plus 3x plus x plus 3. Now, you can take x as common factor from these two. X into x plus 3. 1 as common factor. 1 into x plus 3. Now, from these two, I can take x plus 3 common. So, x plus 3 into x plus 1. So, therefore, I can write the denominator as this one as x plus 3 into x plus 1. Now, you can write this one as which will be a partial fraction a divided by x plus 3 plus b divided by x plus 1. Now, you can multiply throughout x plus 3 into x plus 1. So, therefore, left hand side these two will get cancelled. Remaining is minus 20x minus 15 is equal to a into x plus 3 will go, remaining is x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 will go, remaining is x plus 3. Now, you can put the value of x is equal to minus 1 here, then only a will get cancelled, b will get directly. So, put x is equals to minus 1. If you put x equal to minus 1, minus 20 into minus 1 minus 15 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1 plus 3. Now, you can cancel this one which is 0. So, minus 1 plus 3 is nothing but 2b. So, therefore, you are getting, let me write it here. So, 2b is equal to, you can have, see here, minus 20 into minus 1 is plus 20 minus 15 is nothing but plus 5. So, 2b is equal to 5. So, b is equal to 5 by 2. And this is your answer. Now, putting x value is equal to cancel b, you can put x is equal to minus 3. If you put x is equal to minus 3, you can get it as, see, minus 20 into minus 3 minus 15 is equal to a into minus 3 plus 1 plus b into minus 3 plus 3. Now b will get cancelled. Now remaining is a only. So therefore you can have a value will be here. So minus 20 into 3, which is nothing but 3 2s are 60. 60 minus 15 gives you the value 45. So therefore I can write 45 is equal to minus 3 plus 1 is nothing but minus 2. So minus 2a, right? So therefore a will be is equal to minus 45 divided by 2. And this is the a value you are getting, dears. Now writing that a and b value here and then writing over here as a value of that one and integrating. That's it. So therefore you can have, so integral of, what is that? 1 to 2 5x square divided by x square plus 4x plus 3, it will become integral of 5 into dx from the limit 1 to 2 minus, so you can have your plus, see, integral of, see, I am going to substitute instead of this one as a divided by x plus 3, b divided by x plus 1. What is a value? A value you can have, which is equal to minus 45 by 2. So minus 45 divided by 2 whole over x plus 3. X plus 3. So plus into dx, I am writing this integral of plus b divided by x plus 1. B value is 5 by 2 we got. So therefore 5 by 2 divided by x plus 1 into dx. I hope you understood this one. Now applying the limit 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Now you can have this one, which will be implies that 5 into integral of 1 into dx. Again plus into minus is minus 45 by 2 into integral of 1 to 2, 1 divided by x plus 3 into dx. Again 5 by 2 is a constant, you can remove outside. Integral of 1 to 2, 1 divided by x plus 1 into dx. Now this is in the form of 5 into integral of 1 dx is x minus 45 by 2 into log of modulus of x plus 3 divided by 1 plus 5 by 2 into log of modulus of x plus 1 from the limit what? 1 to 2. Right, you can apply the limit from first 2 and then apply the limit 1. So applying the limit 2, upper limit 5 into 2 minus 45 divided by 2 into log of 2 plus 3 plus 5 by 2 into log of 2 plus 1. So you can open the bracket over here, which will come 5 into 1 minus 45 by 2 into log of, replacing x as 1 plus 3 plus 5 by 2 into log of 1 plus 1. Close the bracket. Now further simplification gives you 5 2s are 10, 10 minus, you can have 10 minus, see, which implies 10 minus 45 by 2 as it is I am writing log of, anyway modulus of 2 plus 3 is a greater than 0, which can be written as 5 plus 5 by 2 into log of 2 plus 1 is nothing but what? 3 minus, now multiply the minus sign, 5 into 1 is 5, minus into minus is plus 45 by 2 into log of 1 plus 3 is nothing but what? 4, again minus into plus is minus 5 by 2 into log of 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Now you can have, dear students, here, now dear students, you can have 45 by 2 with a minus sign, 45 by 2 with a plus sign. So you can write, which is in the form of log m minus log n. So therefore the final answer, see here, 10 minus 5 is nothing but 5. So 5 again plus 45 by 2 will be common, log of, first write the positive value m by n, which is 4 divided by, here you are having 5, right? So again 5 by 2 is there, see, plus 5 by 2 and then minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 will come to the denominator there along with the log. So minus 5 by 2 you can have into log of m by n, m value with the positive first, which is nothing but 3, divided by negative next, which is nothing but 2. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as 5 plus 45 by 2 into log of 4 by 5 minus 5 by 2 into log of 3 by 2. Okay. So I hope you got this one, how to solve the problems. Now we'll be moving on to the next question. What they've asked: integral 0 to pi by 4 2 secant squared x plus x cube plus 2. Dear students, 2 secant squared x plus x cube plus 2 into dx from the limit 0 to pi by 4. Here secant squared x integration is tan x. So therefore, without you can have expanding the factors, you can directly integrate that. So 2 into integration of secant squared x is tan x. Okay, plus x cube integration is x to the power of 4 by 4 plus 2 into 1 into dx is x from the limit what? 0 to pi by 4. And this is easier, dears. So 2 into tan, apply the upper limit first. So tan x is tan pi by 4 plus pi by 4 whole power 4 divided by 4 plus 2 into pi by 4. Now minus, open the bracket, apply the lower limit. 2 into tan 0 plus 0 power 4 divided by 4 plus 2 into 0. Now here tan 0 is 0, 0 by anything is 0, 2 into 0 is 0. So the whole term will become 0. Now you can have your simplification. 2 into, so tan pi by 4 is tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree is 1, 2 into 1 plus you can have here pi to the power of 4 divided by 4 to the power of 4 comes to the denominator, which will become 4 to the power of 5. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are plus pi by 2. So 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. 2 plus pi to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 5 is nothing but 1024 plus pi by 2. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as dear students. I hope you understood this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. Integral 0 to pi sine squared x by 2 minus cos squared x by 2 into dx. ds, this is in the form of c. So always sine is nothing but 1 minus cos. So therefore, you can write this one as integral 0 to pi sine squared is nothing but 1 minus cos x divided by 2 with the minus sign. This is 1 plus cos x divided by 2. How to get this one? So let me write it here. You know that cos 2x can be written as 2 cos squared x minus 1. So cos squared you can have, see, if you divide throughout by 2, cos x can be written as 2 cos squared x by 2 minus 1. Okay, this 2 will be divided to the angle itself. Now, cos squared, 2 cos squared x by 2 can be written as what? 1 plus cos x. Otherwise, cos squared x by 2 can be written as what? 1 plus cos x divided by 2. Similarly, you can have cos 2x can also be written as 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Okay. Now, cos x can be written as 1 minus 2 sine squared x by 2. Now, what is 2 sine squared x by 2? Take it to the left hand side. Okay. X by 2 and shift cos x to the left side, which is 1 minus cos x. Otherwise, sine squared x by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos x divided by 2, and which is nothing but the same thing I have written in the question. Got? Now you can have, see, you can multiply minus symbol. 2 will be the LCM. So 1 by 2, 0 to pi. So 2 will be the LCM. So 1 minus cos x. Minus into plus is minus 1, minus into plus is minus cos x into dx. Now here plus 1 minus 1 will go, 1 by 2 you can remove outside the integral, 0 to pi minus cos x is minus 2 cos x into dx. Now you can integrate this one, minus 2 you can remove outside, minus 2 by 2 into integral of 0 to pi cos x into dx. Now here 2 will get cancelled, remaining is minus outside. Integral of cos x is nothing but only sin x. So therefore you can have, which implies minus into integral of cos x is nothing but sin x. From the limit what? 0 to pi, 0 to pi. Now apply the upper limit for minus sin pi minus sin 0. Right? This upper limit minus, again this minus is there, sin 0. Anyway, sin 0 value is 0. So this will become 0. So minus sin pi value is nothing but sin 180 degree, which is nothing but 0. So the answer you are going to get it as 0. Okay. I hope you understood this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. What they've asked, integral 0 to 2 6x plus 3 divided by x squared plus 4 into dx. Now if you differentiate the denominator, you are never going to get the numerator here. So let us segregate first and then decide. So which implies integral 0 to 2 6x divided by x squared plus 4 into dx plus 3 is a constant I can remove outside. So 1 divided by x squared plus 4 can be written as 2 squared into dx. And you are getting why I have written that. It is in the form of x squared plus a squared, which is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a, isn't it? So therefore, you can have, see, x squared plus 4, if you differentiate, you are going to get it as 2x plus 0, which is 2x. So numerator you do not have 2x, but you can make it as 2x by writing 6 as 3 into 2. So therefore, which implies that integral of, see, this can be written as 3 into 2x. 3 I have taken outside. Are you getting? 3 into 2x is 6x divided by x squared plus 4 into dx plus 3 into integral of 1 divided by x squared plus 2 squared into dx. Now this is in the form of f dash of x divided by f of x, which is integral of f dash of x divided by f of x into dx can be written as log of modulus of f of x, correct? So therefore this can be written as log of 3 into log of modulus of x squared plus 4 plus 3 into, this is according to 1 by a is nothing but 2 into tan inverse of x by a, x is nothing but x only, divided by 2. Okay, now you can apply the limit from where? So here you have to write down the limit 0 to 2, here also 0 to 2. So therefore 0 to 2 you are going to apply. Now you can have 3 into, so first apply the upper limit. If you apply the upper limit, you are going to get it as 3 into, which implies log of, anyway this will become 2 squared plus 4, 2 squared plus 4 plus 3 by 2 into tan inverse of x divided by 2. X is nothing but 2 by 2. This is the upper limit minus, open the bracket, lower limit is 0. So 3 into log, you can have 0 squared is 0 plus 4 plus 3 by 2 into tan inverse of, you can have x, that is nothing but 0 by 2. Applying the lower limit, wherever x is there, put 0. Now you can simplify this one. 3 log 2 squared is nothing but 4, 4 plus 4 is nothing but 8 plus 3 by 2 into tan inverse of 1, correct? Minus, see, minus into plus is minus, 3 log 0 plus 4 is nothing but 4, again plus 3 by 2 into tan inverse of 0 is 0. So this only one term will become 0 here. So you can have here, so 3 will be common factor, log 8 minus log 4, which is in the form of log m minus log n, which is log m by n. So therefore you can have, taking the 3 common factor, log m by n, m is nothing but 8 divided by n is nothing but 4 plus 3 by 2 into tan inverse of 1, which is tan 45 degree, which is 1, okay, which implies that 3 log, see, 4 1s are 4 2s are plus 3 by 2, that's it. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it for this question, DS. I hope you understood this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next question. Now what they have asked, integral x into e power x plus sine pi x by 4. Now here, if you want to integrate this one, this you have to go by integral by parts. You are having algebraic and exponential. This separately you can integrate. So segregate that one first, which implies integral 0 to 1 x into e power x plus integral 0 to 1 sine pi x by 4 into dx. First let us do this one. So first function as what? According to the iLearn rule, right? So according to the iLearn rule, first function is their algebraic and then exponential. So here first function will be x and second function will be e power x. So accordingly, you can have first function into integral of second function minus integral of d by dx of first function into integral of second function into dx minus this, as it is I am writing here, all you are going to get it as 0 to 1 only, okay, 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 plus integral 0 to 1 sine pi x divided by 4 into dx. Now you can have this will be is equal to see x into integral of e power x is e power x only minus integral of d by dx of x is 1 only 1 into integral of e power x is e power x only into dx from 0 to 1. This is applying the limit from 0 to 1. So plus you can have here integral 0 to 1 sine pi x divided by 4. Let me integrate this at last. Okay. So here x into e power x as it is minus 1 into e power x is e power x only. E power x integration is e power x only. Applying the limit from 0 to 1 plus see here sine pi x divided by 4 integration is minus cos pi x divided by 4 divided by pi by 4. Why? Coefficient of x, isn't it? From the limit 0 to 1, coefficient of x is pi by 4, that I am going to divide. So now this will go to the numerator. So you are going to get it x into e power x minus e power x minus 4 by pi into cos pi by 4 into x from the limit 0 to 1. Now you can apply the limit throughout. So x into e power x, first applying the upper limit 1 into e power 1, wherever x is there 1 minus e power 1 minus 4 by pi into cos pi by 4 into 1 which is pi by 4 only minus open the bracket 0 into e power 0 minus e power 0 minus 4 by pi into cos pi by 4 into 0 is 0. Now you can have the answer will be 1 into e power 1 is e power 1 only which is e minus e again minus 4 by pi into cos pi by 4. 1 into e is e only minus e, see minus e I have written minus 4 by pi into cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 value is cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is always 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, right? Again minus. Now you are having, see 0 into 0, this will become 0 and this will become 1. So therefore you can have minus, see minus 1 again minus 4 by 5 into cos 0 is 1. So therefore minus 4 by 5 into 1 is 1 only. Now multiply the minus symbol. E and E will get cancelled. Remaining is, see minus 4 by pi into 1 by root 2. Minus into minus is plus 1. Minus into minus is plus 4 by 5. Okay. So you can take the LCM here. Minus 4 divided by pi root 2. Again plus 1 plus 4 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 by 5. Now here let me simplify. See this is 4 by pi, not 5. This is 4 by pi. So simplify that. 1 into e power 1 is e power 1. E power 1 minus e power 1 is e power 1 e only. Again minus 4 by pi into cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, isn't it? Again minus see this will become 0 already I have written 0 into anything is 0 minus e power 0 is what? E power 0 is minus 1. Again minus 4 by 5 minus 4 by pi into cos 0 is 1. Multiplying the minus sign, these two will get cancelled. Minus 4 by pi root 2. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus 4 by pi. Now you can write this one as 4 can be written as how? 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So root 2 into root 2. So which can be, see which implies 2 into root 2 into root 2. 1, 2 I am writing like that. Pi into root 2 plus 1 plus 4 by pi. Now you can have this one. 1 root 2 will get cancelled. Remaining is 2 root 2 divided by pi plus 1 plus 4 by pi. You can take the LCM as pi. So minus is there along with this. If you take the LCM as pi, you can have 4 minus 2 root 2 plus pi. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as dear students. So I hope you understood this session, how to solve the problems based on a substitution method also, without substitution also, and reducing improper partial fraction to a partial fraction and then evaluating that as a definite integral. So, and then also you have learnt here integral by parts also. Okay, so depending on the problem, you are going to apply all that integration formula. So, thank you dear students. I hope you enjoyed this one. Keep watching. Have a nice day.